Okay, so in this problem, we're going to find the volume obtained by rotating the shaded region around the y-axis, 360 degrees. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the function x equals and square it, and we're going to do it with respect to y. We'll take the integral of that multiplied times pi. Well, so in this situation, I've got to get x by itself. Well, you'll notice when I start to get x by itself, I got x squared. I know what x squared is equal to. Well, that's what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to square x. So I'm going to put y minus 2 in there because that's what x squared is equal to. And then remember, this is in terms of y. Why did I write x? It should be in terms of y. And then I'm going to do the boundaries 11 and 2. And now all I got to do is integrate. This is going to be 1/2 y squared minus 2y. And then when I clean it up, it's going to look like this. And then that's my function. And so now I'm going to put an 11 and a 2 in there. And when I get the 11, I'm going to get 38.5. And when I put in the 2, I'm going to get a negative 2 pi. And so then when I go ahead and subtract those, I'm going to get 40.5 pi. So, don't be confused by this. We just had a little luck in this case. A lot of times in this kind of problem, what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to actually get x by itself, and then you're going to have to square it. If we would have done that, well, let's take a look. If we would have done this in this situation, we would end up with the square root of y minus 2 equals x. Well, so now, if I go and plug that in, and that's my rule, and so then I'm going to have to square it. Well, when I square y minus 2 to the 1/2 power, well, 1/2 times 2, that's just the exponent of 1. It's going to equal y minus 2. So it's the same thing. But in other problems, it won't always be so easy. Sometimes you're going to actually have to find it equal to x and then square it. All right, I hope that helps, and thanks for watching.